Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's continue learning Amharic. This is going to be a next part of lesson 25. Okay, so lesson 25B. Okay, so with is ka and gar. To say with, we use ka and gar towards, and we are going to sandwich whatever we have in between. So for example, coffee is buna. So to say with coffee is going to be ከቡና ጋር ከቡና ጋር okay with me ከእኔ ጋር I is እኔ ከእኔ ጋር okay so how would you say she is እሷ እሷ so now try to say with her ከእሷ ጋር ከእሷ ጋር ከእሷ ጋር he is እሱ so how would you say with his ከእሱ ጋር ከእሱ ጋር ከእሱ ጋር so try to say he was with her so with her he was in Amharic ከእሷ ጋር ነበር ከእሷ ጋር ነበር she was with her ከእሷ ጋር ነበረች ከእሷ ጋር ነበረች try to say Daniel was with her ዳንኤል ከእሷ ጋር ነበር ዳንኤል ከእሷ ጋር ነበር so brother is ወንድም and how would you say your ያንተ you is አንተ to a man and your is ያንተ we add the yef sound in front of it how would you say to a woman you is አንቺ to a woman so your is going to be ያንቺ so try to say your brother to a man ያንተ ወንድም brother is ወንድም say your sister to a woman ያንቺ እህት so now try to say my sister የኔ እህት just give me your best guess and try to say with my sister የእኔ እህት ጋር and ጋር is with my የኔ sister እህት so ከእኔ እህት ጋር we drop because we speak very fast ከእኔ እህት ጋር with my sister ከእኔ እህት ጋር with my sister ከእኔ እህት ጋር okay so try to say with my brother ከእኔ ወንድም ጋር so try to say he was with my sister ከእኔ እህት ጋር ነበር or if you want to mention the subject explicitly እሱ ከእኔ እህት ጋር ነበር he was with my sister እሱ ከእኔ እህት ጋር ነበር or simply ከእኔ እህት ጋር ነበር now try to say she was with my brother she was in Amharic ከእኔ ወንድም ጋር ነበረች or more explicitly mentioning the subject እሷ ከእኔ ወንድም ጋር ነበረች now let's keep building more complex sentences and now try to say your brother was with my sister first to a man and then to a woman. First to a man. ያንተ ወንድም ከኔ እህት ጋር ነበር. Your brother was with my sister. ያንተ ወንድም ከኔ እህት ጋር ነበር. To a woman. ያንቺ ወንድም ከኔ እህት ጋር ነበር. ያንቺ ወንድም ከኔ እህት ጋር ነበር. Okay, so depending on who you are addressing to, you is going to change to ያንተ or ያንቺ. Okay, how would you say is better? ይሻላል. ይሻላል. Okay, so is better than me is ከእኔ ይሻላል. ከእኔ ይሻላል than mine. Is better than mine. ከእኔ ይሻላል. So now try to say your brother is better than me, or your brother is better than me in Amharic. So to a man, if you are addressing a man, it's going to be ያንተ ወንድም ከእኔ ይሻላል. ያንተ ወንድም ከእኔ ይሻላል. You are not saying your brother is better than my brother. You are directly saying your brother is better than me. Okay, so ያንተ ወንድም ከኔ ወንድም ይሻላል. So try to say that to a woman. ያንቺ ወንድም ከእኔ ይሻላል. ያንቺ ወንድም ከእኔ ይሻላል. Now try to say is better than you. First, imagine you are addressing a man. ከአንተ ይሻላል. ከአንተ ይሻላል. What about a woman? Is better than you? ከአንቺ ይሻላል. ከአንቺ ይሻላል. So try to say my brother የኔ ወንድም. So my brother is better than you. Imagine you are addressing a man. የኔ ወንድም ካንተ ይሻላል. የኔ ወንድም ካንተ ይሻላል. How would you say that to a woman? የኔ ወንድም ካንቺ ይሻላል. የኔ ወንድም ካንቺ ይሻላል. So you have is አለክ to a man and አለሽ to a woman. So ask someone, like if you are in a hotel, you might ask the receptionist, like, do you have a room? Okay, so in Amharic it's going to be room is ክፍል. ክፍል. So ክፍል አለክ. ክፍል አለክ. That means literally you have a room. Do you have a room? Okay, so there is አለ. There is አለ. So how would you say one room? አንድ ክፍል. አንድ ክፍል. So try to respond there is one room. So in Amharic it's going to be one room there is, because the verb goes to the end. አንድ ክፍል አለ. አንድ ክፍል አለ.